Hello students, how are you? Hope that you are well. And today we have discussed about the formula of 14a. So just revising that one. What we have discussed, first one, a plus b whole square formula. Then we have discussed about a minus b whole square formula. And one more formula we have used, that is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. Now today we are going to do some more expansions. Like x plus minus a, x plus minus b formula. So for this one expansion, this is general expansion, and one more formula very for now this time square of three terms. So the formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 combination now a b plus again combination bc again combination ca 2ca. So this combination we will use. This you can also do directly, no problem, just do the multiplication work, but this you have to remember, because if this formula is like this one, minus b I will put here, plus c I will put here, this will change. How you can remember? Square of any term is always positive. If negative term will be there, always positive. So first three terms, whatever the case, they will remain positive. But for the next one, you have to see the combination of this. A is multiplied with minus b. So the answer will be negative. Because when two same signs are multiplying, always positive, and when two opposite signs are multiplying, always negative. So minus 2bc, then now c and a are positive, so that is why 2ca. Okay, so now we will discuss about some of the more questions regarding this formula, because that expansions of previous terms, that is not so much difficult. So here they have given x plus y minus z square. Now you can write, what you can write, a square plus b square plus c square. Now combination. So be careful while doing. X and y are positive, so 2xy, and y is positive, z is negative, so the result will be negative. So minus 2yz. Again z is negative, x is positive, so minus 2zx. Is that clear? So now for finding, how we can find? So we can find by using this formula the values. Like your exercise, they have given us a plus b plus c is equal to 12. Another thing they have given, a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 50. Then they are saying that find AB plus BC plus CA. So just we'll take from here A plus B plus C square. So square, what will write? Squaring both sides. Now you will do, open the with formula. with the help of formula a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 144. Now this value they have already given 50, so in place of this one we'll write 50. Now you can see that 2 is common here. I have written, so 2 is common here. AB plus BC plus CA, so 144. So 2 AB plus BC plus CA, so 144 minus 50. Then AB plus BC plus CA. Now from 144 when we will subtract, so it will be how much? 94. These two will divide this 94. So answer will be 47. Now here in this formula again, how many variables are there? You can see that how many variables? One variable, second variable, and third one. So three terms which are unknown. So always he will provide you two. Take one more example. So it will be your fifth question. Again a square plus b square plus c square is given 35. So they are given now this time AB, BC, CA, they have given us 23, and A plus B plus C they are saying that find. Now again A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square C square plus 2 will take common AB, BC, CA. So this is 35 square. So A, this is 35. No, this is not 35. This is you have to find. So be careful. Be alert when I am writing. So it will be A plus B plus C square. So it is 35 plus 2, 23. So A plus B plus C square. It is 35 plus 46. So A plus B plus C square. It will be 81. So A plus C plus C, so square root of 81. So this will give us 9. So one more question now. So they have given us sixth question. A plus B plus C, B they have given, and AB plus BC plus CA they have given Q. So we have to find A square plus B square plus C square. See here, we have done previous question. First of all, they are asking for A plus B plus C, first variable. For the second question, they are asking this variable. Now they are asking A square. So in the first question, they are asking this variable, third one. Okay. Then they are asking for first variable in this one, Now they are asking for the second variable. So for that one, again a plus b plus c square is equal to p square. So we open a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 ab plus bc plus ca is equal to p square. So this value we have to find, so we will keep as it is, plus 2 ab is cube, so p square, so a square plus b square plus c square, it is p square minus 2q. Okay, now we will do the seventh one. It is again a square plus b square plus c square, they have given us 50, ap plus bc plus ca, they have given us 47. So a plus b, a plus b plus c. So first variable we have to find this one. So a plus b plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 ab bc and ca. So this variable we have to find. 50 plus 2 47. So a plus b plus c square 50 plus 94. So a plus b plus c square, it will be 144. So a plus b plus c will be square root of 144, it will be 12. Now for the eighth one, they have given x plus y minus z is equal to 4, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 30. So finding xy minus yz minus zx, this you have to find. So again from here, squaring both sides, so a square plus b square, square is always plus, remember that one, otherwise then combination you have to see. 2xy 2 I am taking common, combination you have to see, is equal to 4 square is 60, so it is 30 plus 2 xy yz minus zx 16. So 2 xy yz minus zx 16 minus 30. So 2 xy yz zx minus 14. Then xy, it will be divided by 2. So it is xy yz minus zx minus 14 divided by 2, so it is 7. So xy minus yz minus zx is equal to minus 7. So this way we can do it very easily. Then some of the question about the expansion we will also discuss, like they have given us x plus 8, first question, first part. This you can also do with the help of expansions as well as directly. So what it will be there, x square, then because this both you will add 18 x, then multiply 18. Formula you can, if you want to remember, you can do x plus a, x plus b. This is formula. So what is x square plus ab plus ab, or you can apply here also x plus 10 plus 8 x plus 10. So it will be x square plus 10x plus 8x plus 80. So again you will get the formula. So choice is yours. You can do it very easily. Okay. So if any doubt is there, you can tell me, no problem. And tomorrow we'll discuss about the cube.